Welcome to this short film about Cytoclean and the Cytoclean process. Cytoclean is an ecologically friendly oil cleaning agent produced from renewable natural products. We will show you how easy Cytoclean is to apply and how fantastically effective it is on almost all surfaces. The following clips show how heavy-grade oil is applied to sandblasted steel, to rock, to vegetation, and finally to a simulated sandy beach. By the way, the oil used in this film was taken as a sample from a tanker transporting oil of a similar grade to oil being produced in many places around the world. This oil has a high viscosity and readily adheres to any surface to which it chances upon. As in a real spill, sticky oil is poured onto the sand where it remains on the surface. The Cytoclean process consists of three distinct steps. In this first step, Cytoclean is sprayed onto the soiled surfaces. The steel and rock samples immediately show a first reaction to the Cytoclean. Does this sound too good to be true? Well, not really. The immediate effectiveness of Cytoclean as a cleaning agent is supported by studies carried out by independent laboratories. Directly after treatment with Cytoclean, a decrease in oil viscosity can be observed. This is also true for the vegetation sample. After a very short period of time, small rivulets of oil and Cytoclean mixture can already be seen flowing off the surface of the leaf. In the case of sand, Cytoclean also acts on the oil and causes it to mix with the sand. Following application, Cytoclean requires a short period of time to completely penetrate the oily surface. The time which is required depends entirely on the properties of the oil. After having had time to act on the oil, Cytoclean now combined with the oil can be easily washed off. As you can clearly see, this can be done by simple means and at low water pressures. No highly specialized equipment is usually required. The surfaces are clean and the oily mixture is gathered. On removal of the Cytoclean oil and water mixture to a separation container, the immediate effect of Cytoclean is obvious. No oil enters the water column. Instead, any residual water leaves the oily mixture at the surface. I can imagine you are asking yourself, is this stuff toxic or not? The answer is no, definitely not. Its natural origin makes it easily biodegradable and non-hazardous to flora and fauna, a fact also supported by independent tests. After having seen the effect on a rock, we now go and have a look to see how Cytoclean works on leaves. The oil can now be easily washed off the surface of a leaf. What remains is a totally clean surface. Sand, on the other hand, needs to be mixed with water in a different way. On this scale, it is done in a laboratory sample bottle. In practice, on a beach, this would be carried out using a concrete mixer or similar apparatus. After a short mixing period, the Cytoclean oil, water and sand mixture is ready to be poured into a containing vessel. Immediately on being filled into a container, separation can be seen. This is the third step, the step where Cytoclean shows real strength. This is where the Cytoclean agent differs from dispersants and detergents. All phases in the container are absolute immiscible and separate out completely. No water is left in the oil, so no expensive oil separation is required. The oil can be reused and recycled, and the water can be reused for the washing process. Finally, what is left after Cytoclean has done its job? Clean surfaces, separated sand, recyclable oil, and last, but definitely not least, clean, unpolluted water.